There is another very interesting and very easy way to upload images to the Visible Wiki Women campaign using Wikimedia Commons and Flickr. Flickr it is an online image platform for sharing images, and it has support for all Creative Commons license. So that way we can find images that we can use on Wikimedia Commons. Wikimedia Commons only accepts 2 of the 5 Creative Commons licenses, Creative Commons by and Creative Commons by share alike, and also accepts images from the public domain. And we can also find images in public market as part of the public domain on Flickr. So it is really interesting to connect both platforms and bring the images that exist on Flickr to Wikimedia Commons, and how we can find images of women doing different activities at the workplace, women in different professions, in different jobs on Flickr. You can use the Flickr search, so you can do a query here. For instance, I will find women physicians, I will search photos, and these are my results, but I need to filter the images because I don't want any license. Not any license are useful for me to upload images to Wikimedia Commons. I need to select only images with Creative Commons that allow commercial use and modifications. So I will select the filter, and these are the images that I have. A lot of them are images on the public domain, from archives, from museums, because Flickr encourage cultural institutions to use the platform for image sharing, from digitized books, from photographs that are digitized, and also other institutions and people just use Flickr as a way of sharing under Creative Commons license. So after doing this query, I selected some potential images that are interesting for uploading to Wikimedia Commons. So let me try with this one. I will copy the URL and I will go to the Visible Wiki Women Upload Wizard, will click Upload, and then in this case I will select Share Images from Flickr. I will click here and paste the URL, and I will try to get the image from Flickr. Let's see if it is working. Okay, in this case, and this result is interesting. I can see that this image already exists on Commons because another user in the past uploaded the same image from the same URL. So don't worry if you have this result, because the only thing that it means is that the image already exists. So you can try with other image. I will remove this one and I will try with another one. For instance, this one. I will click on Share on Flickr, will paste the image and click on Get from Flickr. And this box for the Flickr URL is very useful because If the image hasn't the right license, the upload wizard will let me know that I cannot use the image because of the license, because the image has copyright or an incorrect license. In this case, the image it doesn't exist yet on Wikimedia Commons, and the license is okay, and you can see here that the license, when it says some right reserved, you can check and see that it is a Creative Commons license that allows share and adapt the image. Okay, so I will back to the upload wizard. I can add more if I want by clicking in add more files or add more images from Flickr. Even I can use the URL of a photo album from Flickr to upload images in batch, but in this case let's keep it simple and let's use just one single image. I will click on continue, and here I can complete the data, changing the the image title. The descriptions are taken from the description of the photo on Flickr, and the date it is also taken from Flickr, and you can see here that the category is Visible Wiki Women, and you can add more categories here. I will just change a little bit the title, and I will use part of the description for the caption in English. I could add more captions in more languages, and I think that the data is more or less complete, so I will just publish my file, and here I can add items from Wikidata, for instance, clinic. I can say that this is a clinic, that here we have a women physician, and I can add more the pics if I want, and then I can publish the data for all files, and that's it. My image is online. I can see here the captions, the description, date, the source, because since this is not my original work, I am not uploading an image that I have created. The source is the way in which Wikimedia Commons indicates where the original image is, and that's very important. And the license that was checked automatically, and this is a confirmation that the image came from Flickr and the license is correct. You can see here our Visible Wiki Women banner and the rest of the data of the image. So that's another way. If you need to upload a lot of images at once from Flickr, you can select the URL of an entire album, or you can use this other tool called Flickr to Commons, and you can add here different parameters like a Flickr URL of a photo, a username, or other IDs and data that can help the system to identify images under Creative Commons license that you can upload in batch at the same time from Flickr. So that's an amazing tool to upload images on batch from Flickr. So that's it, and I hope you can explore Flickr, find Creative Commons license that allows commercial use and modification or images in the public domain, and continue uploading images from Flickr to Commons for the Visible Wiki Women campaign. Thank you very much.